Today I faced a new problem. The camera focus on an iPhone 13 Pro isn't working properly. I checked it with 2 new camera modules, but the issue still isn't solved. So now I will do CPU reballing. So let's get started. I will remove the connectors and take out the logic board, then place it on the preheating station to disassemble the lower and upper parts. Last time I replaced this, and this. Now I will do the CPU reballing. Let's see under the microscope how to remove the CPU. Quickly use the hot air gun to create airflow and gently poke the CPU from the side with a CPU lifter. After removing the CPU, apply a little paste on the CPU socket and clean it thoroughly. Now for CPU reballing, the CPU needs to be placed with proper tensile alignment. Then apply solder paste on the tensile. Now use the hot air gun to create airflow and form the CPU balls. Once the CPU balls are formed, apply a little paste and use the air gun to create airflow. Now apply a little paste on the CPU socket, clean it once more, then align and place the CPU. Now use the hot air gun to solder it in place. Then I will reassemble the lower part and the upper part. Then I will place the logic board, reconnect all the connectors, and power it on. Yes, now the problem is solved.